Nicely done. Well, thank you very much. And please stay tuned. Here it comes, the new SC750 28R, what we like to call the 28-inch walk-behind rev on our SC750 platform. 21-gallon solution, 21-gallon recovery, 28-inch cleaning path. But, of course, it now incorporates rev technology. And as you can see right here, it's being used as a standard auto scrubber with just red pads. Perfect for VCT and that hospital that those two just took care of. You'll notice there's no side skirts or no splash guard. That's 2,250 RPM micro orbits and about 30 RPM macro orbits. That dual action is what's attacking the surface from all directions, leaving a much cleaner than a traditional scrubber floor, and of course, safe and dry with a safe and dry patented squeegee system. Now what Bob's going to do is with the touch of a button, the scrub deck's going to come straight up off the ground. He's going to go ahead and slide under those SPP pads. Because they're not spinning at a traditional 200 RPM, they're not going to get slung out, so we don't have to worry about them flying off there. We don't need really any special pad holders for that. The SPP pads are very thin, so it's always nice to have a little cushion there to allow for the imperfections and waves of just about every floor out there. So now he's got a variable pad pressure up to 170 pounds of pressure, a whole lot different than the 20-inch rev. The 28-inch rev goes from 80 to 170 PSI. So again, you'll see, depending upon the forward speed of that machine, the macro orbits change, but we're still going with that 2,250 micro orbit RPMs. And this is chemical-free removal of floor finish. Multiple layers of floor finish being taken right down to a clean, safe, dry floor that maybe most importantly is neutral pH, ready for immediate recoat of floor finish. No rinsing step. No treacherous emulsified floor finish and stripper. No fumes. No wet dry vacs to clean up. No potential slip and fall. One pass. We are using water only. Of course, EcoFlex. You see the name on the side of that decal, EcoFlex. That means economical. It means flexible. It means ecological. It's our onboard dilution control system, which helps us define green cleaning here at Advance. No more exposure to chemicals. The consistency of having 1, 1.5, 2, 3, 4 ounces per gallon. You set the dilution ratio on the dashboard, and you're off and running. We get consistency in the amount of consumption of product that we put in the machine. The separate onboard detergent cartridge can be changed out, and there's water and only water in the tank. We never have to worry about cross-pollination of different products, whether it's cleaners, degreasers, sanitizers, maybe even a restorer. But there it is. That's the SC750. We're getting about a 210 minutes of run time on the low flow mode on a single tank. That's over almost 2 hours of continuous cleaning before you have to empty and refill the tanks. Productivity rate's about 41,000 square feet. And we've got plenty of literature on that. Please come up and feel free to let us swipe your card. We can send you more information.